conscience vote?
Napag-usapan na ho namin yan March 3. March 3. Nagkaroon ho ng meeting, yung what we call the LP House caucus. We call ourselves, the members of the LP, meron po kami ganoon. Lahat ng mga miyembro ng LP, na members of the House of Representatives, we call ourselves the LP House caucus. At ang naging consensus po doon, it will be conscience vote. So nagkaroon po ng discussion during that meeting, and that is the consensus, conscience vote.
Opo. Kasi si Kong Erisek.
6, 7. Sa is part of the Liberal Party.
Hindi daw po mapaparticipate mo.
Kasi daw po, nagagamit lang daw po para sa political partisan
We
politics.
respect, of course, his sentiment and his opinion. Pero ito nga po masasabi ko, ang naging consensus po ng LP members of the House is conscience vote. Okay?
Kung what can you say para pong unfaced si VP Duterte sa looming impeachment?
Makakunwari pa niya na unfaced siya. Diba? Nakita naman natin yung mga lumabas na hearings, lalo na official reports, official findings na Of course, they would not say that they are, affected by it. Pero baka nga kunwari lang.
And nagtataka daw po siya na parang tiyak na raw po yung ilang mambabatas na mai-impeach siya.
But hindi naman masama, wala namang masama o linalabat kapag nagkakayan ng mga opinion ng ilang mga miyembro ng House na sa tingin nila, in their belief and in their estimation, is that we'll be getting the numbers. Katulad ko po, I have that same prediction that we are getting the numbers for that, the right numbers for her to be formally impeached.
Thank you, Ko.